It's a level of production technology that is far in advance of any automotive plant on Earth.
Welcome to my channel, Rudy Romo here. Today we're tackling a hot button issue in the automotive world, the future of legacy auto in the face of Tesla's dominance. For years, legacy automakers have struggled to crack the code of profitable EV production, while Tesla has soared ahead. So I want to ask, shouldn't legacy auto just copy and paste Tesla's EV manufacturing process? I say shame on you, legacy auto. Welcome to a conversation about innovation, ambition, and the audacity to dream big. Today, we're pointing the spotlight towards a shameful reality, the staggering gap between Tesla and BYD's cutting edge EV technology and the sluggish, outdated offerings of legacy automakers. Just look at the Cybertruck, a revolutionary vehicle with a 48-volt architecture that screams efficiency, steer-by-wire technology that whispers of the future, and rear-wheel steering that dances to the tune of agility. All while Tesla, a company barely 2 decades old, churns out these marvels of engineering at a profit. Meanwhile, legacy automakers with over a century of experience struggle to match this pace. Their offerings often pale imitations of real innovation. It's time for a wake-up call, gentlemen. Where is the daring? Where is the passion for shaping the future of mobility? This isn't just about technology, it's about vision. It's about the courage to challenge the status quo and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's about leaving a legacy of progress, not stagnation. So, legacy auto executives, I ask you, why are you so far behind? What happened to the daring spirit that once defined the industry? Are you content to rest on the laurels of a bygone era, or will you finally rise to the challenge and join the electric revolution with the same fire and ambition that ignited Tesla's journey? Stay tuned because this is a conversation that needs to be had. This is about the future of mobility, and it's about holding legacy auto accountable for their complacency. We'll delve deeper into the specific technologies, explore the reasons for this disparity, and discuss what legacy auto needs to do to reclaim their rightful place in the automotive landscape. The elephant in the room, Tesla's unrivaled expertise. Let's face it, Tesla has built an unparalleled EV empire. Their sleek designs, innovative technology, and superior manufacturing efficiency have left legacy autos scrambling to catch up. Just look at Ford, losing a staggering $36,000 on every EV. This is simply unsustainable. Deconstructing the Tesla model. Time for copy and paste. Instead of reinventing the wheel, why not learn from the best? Tesla's 48-volt system architecture is a game changer, reducing complexity and cost while boosting efficiency. By adopting this technology, legacy auto can leapfrog years of development and finally offer competitive EVs. Elon Musk promised that the $25,000 compact manufacturing process being developed at Giga Austin is far advanced. It's quite unique on this earth. It has never been seen before and will blow people's minds. There's very little doubt in my mind that the 48-volt architecture, Giga castings, and unboxed method will be part of this process. The questions being asked in the Tesla community are, will the $25,000 compact be a single casting? Will it be manufactured with a 30X cold rolled stainless steel alloy combination known for its strength, durability, and corrosion resistance, like the Cybertruck and spacecraft? We can hardly wait. 2024 promises to be the most exciting year to date, in my opinion. Beyond manufacturing, learning from Tesla's holistic approach. It's not just about copying manufacturing processes. Tesla's success goes beyond the factory floor. Their focus on software, data, and vertical integration creates a seamless user experience and unparalleled brand loyalty. Legacy Auto needs to embrace this holistic approach to compete effectively. Should Legacy Auto license Tesla's crown jewels? And here's where things get even more interesting. Should Legacy Auto consider licensing Tesla's most valuable assets like autopilot, full self-driving technology? While this might sound like a defeat, it could be a strategic move, allowing Legacy to rapidly offer advanced features and catch up to Tesla's lead in autonomous driving. The cost of inaction, extinction, or transformation. The future is clear. The market is shifting towards electric vehicles, and those left behind will face extinction. Legacy Auto has a choice: cling to outdated technology and face the consequences, or embrace Tesla's innovative blueprint and transform their business for the future. Call to action: take the leap, Legacy Auto. It's time for Legacy Auto to take a bold step. Copy and paste. It might sound like a desperate measure, but it could be the lifeline they need to stay afloat. By learning from Tesla, embracing innovation, and adapting to the changing market, Legacy Auto can secure their place in an electric future. What do you think? Should Legacy Auto just copy Tesla? Let's discuss it in the comments below. Remember, the future of auto is in our hands. By supporting sustainable transportation, demanding innovative solutions from automakers, we can shape a cleaner and more exciting future for all. In closing, I remind the audience that I'm not a lonely voice in the wilderness on this subject. Many people in the Tesla community feel the same way. Among others, Larry Goldberg, Ron Barron, Gary Black, Kathy Wood, Randy Kirk, Stephen Mark Ryan, etc., etc., etc. I maintain my prediction that Ford will be the first one to license Tesla's autopilot, full self-driving, and perhaps even Tesla's drivetrain technology. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe so that YouTube algorithms will get it to more people. If you disagree with any of the points made, or if you have any suggestions on how to improve future videos, please comment below. The material and thoughts shared here are based on my own personal research and factual to the best of my knowledge. Please do your own research.